All right. Good morning, everybody. So I just wanted to reach out to you guys about a couple things. Most importantly, tomorrow's vocab quiz. But before we get there, thank you to those of you who completed yesterday's assignment. As it pertains to political party systems, the whole idea of having a single party, two party, or multi party system. Hopefully, we completed that and have a general understanding of that stuff. We will come back to that at some point, but that was really just a sort of an appetizer. So you guys have an idea of, of how political systems work around the world and not just here in the United States. The idea is to focus mainly on the United States, but just to give you guys a global perspective of political parties and how it works around the world. Okay, so tomorrow's quiz. So you guys are scheduled to take tomorrow's quiz at 10 a.m., as I mentioned before. And as I also mentioned before, it's going to be in the form of Google Forms. So this is what the quiz is going to look like. So I just wanted to walk you guys through just so you understand exactly what to expect. Obviously, continue to study your terms like you would normally for any vocab quiz. Normally, I just give you matching, and you guys generally do a very good job overall. I know this is going to be a little different, so that's why I wanted to give you guys a video walkthrough, okay? So your quiz is going to be broken down into two sections, okay? The first section, as you can see, is the sign-in section. So that's where we're on right now, section 1 of 2. Obviously, your view is not going to look just like this, okay? It's going to look a little different. When you guys log on and get started, it's going to look like this, okay? So just so you guys are aware of that. But yeah, so you're going to start off by signing in, first and last name. I'm only talking to the green class, so you don't have to pick a color, okay? When you get to the next section, I should say, so after you hit submit, you're going to go to the next section. Now, this is where I want everyone to listen carefully, okay? So I know it's not exactly like matching, but it's very similar. If not, it's almost identical to matching, actually, more that I think about it, except you're not using pen and paper. You're just typing things in. So you're going to use the list of terms that I've given you, which are right here. Okay, just like you would have on any matching quiz or fill in the blank quiz. And what I recommend is copying and pasting. Okay, so like literally copying and pasting the terms into the spaces below. Okay. So instead of you just matching up the two columns, one with terms, one with definitions, and writing the letter next to the definition that matches up with writing the letter from the definition that matches up with the term, we are going to be taking the terms from here, and you are just going to be typing them, typing or copying and pasting. I strongly recommend copy and paste, because here's why. The way I set up the quiz is so it's going to grade itself automatically. A little less work for me. It's going to be very easy to use. So here's the kicker. If the term is not exactly how it is typed on the list below, the answer will be marked wrong, okay? So here is my strong suggestion to you. I recommend... Okay, so for example, if you think this one here is canvas, okay, so I recommend copying and pasting canvas, okay, Control C if you're not sure how to do that, okay, or just double click, okay, copy, you guys should know how to do that, and then pasting it next or in the box of the definition that goes with that term. You can type it if you want, but at your own risk. For example, if you were to type in canvas with a lowercase c instead of the capital C that's here, the quiz is going to mark it wrong. Even though it is correct, it's going to mark it wrong, okay? I've already put the preset answers for an answer key in each one of these, so it knows exactly what needs to go in there, okay? So if you have a word like canvas that starts with a capital C, if you do not put a capital C, it is going to mark it wrong. Now, I tried to include different combinations of the word to help some of you out just in case you forget. However, this is your warning, okay? This is your helpful hint. So if you think this one's canvas or that one's canvas or whatever one is canvas or for any of these, make sure you copy and paste. I highly recommend that because it's going to be the exact wording of the terms. Same goes for, words like independent voters or terms like independent voters. As you can see, independent is capitalized, but voters is not, okay? So make sure that when you put these in, again, don't leave it up to chance. Just copy and paste independent voters in the box that matches up with the definition. Okay? So this is sort of like matching, but it's the best thing I can do with that. Again, single party system, two party system, multi-party system. Again, it's very case sensitive. So if it's uppercase, okay, on the term list, make sure it's uppercase when you copy and paste or type it in. Again, I strongly recommend copying and pasting. So once you guys are complete, or once you guys have completed the quiz, again, you have to answer all 15, otherwise it will not let you submit. Once you do that, you hit submit. The answers will not be released right away. I will release those answers later on Thursday night, once everybody has taken the quiz. But again, your test window is 10 to 11. If for whatever reason that doesn't work for you, let me know today. Let me know so we can talk about a different time for which you can take the quiz, okay? As always, you are not allowed to use any other resources on this quiz, okay? You guys do not need to do that. You guys do very well overall in these vocab quizzes. So take it honestly, okay? Academic honesty, that's important. I know it's with distance learning, it could be a little dicey, but please respect yourself and respect, my wishes, and just do the quiz on your own. Okay? So if you guys have questions about that, hopefully that clears things up and you know what to expect. Please let me know. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.